Yeah, Center Horizon 2065. Just wanted to verify, are there UFOs out there tonight?
Little unidentified flying object appearing to move at hypersonic speeds and just with precision and turning, and yeah, we're all a little perplexed. We don't see anything on our end.
Almost heaven, South Jersey, scrub pine forest, tea-colored waters. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country drones, take me home to the place I belong. South Jersey, Lake of Mama, take me home. Country drones, all my memories gather round her. Laker's lady, native to brown water. Green and red glow, lighting up the sky. Misty taste of seltzers, mischief in my eye. Country drones, take me home to the place I belong. South Jersey, Lake of Mama, take me home. Country drones, I hear a voice in the evening as she calls me. Podcast reminds me of the watchers far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I'm followed to home every day. Every day, country drones, take me home.